under the cypress tree, saw a miracle flying high. I tuned into the song that she was singing. Melody was honest friend, and it felt like I was learning to fly. I fear I'll never know the feeling. It must be nice, must be good to be heard. And it might sound a bit absurd. I sing along with the bird. I'd sing along if I owned